Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Adrenal glands. Today we are going to study about the adrenal glands. There are two adrenal glands present in a human body. Each weighs about 4 grams, and each of the two lies at the superior pole of the two kidneys. Each gland, as shown in the above figure, each gland is now composed of two major parts: the adrenal medulla and the adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla is the central 20% of the gland, and it is functionally related to the sympathetic nervous system. And this part of the gland secretes the hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are released in response to sympathetic stimulation. As a result, these hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine, cause almost the same effects as direct stimulation of the sympathetic nerves in all parts of the body. These hormones will be discussed detail later on. The outer 80% of the portion of adrenal gland is the adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex secretes the entirely different group of hormones which are known as corticosteroids. These hormones are synthesized from steroid cholesterol. There are slight differences in the molecular structures of these hormones, and which give them several different but very important functions. As you can see in the lower diagram, the inner portion is medulla, and it is only the 20% of the gland, and it secretes catecholamines, that is epinephrine and norepinephrine. The outer portion is cortex. It is almost 80% of the gland, and it secretes the hormones which are known as corticosteroids. First, we will be studying about the adrenal cortex. If you look at the cross section of adrenal cortex, you can see that adrenal cortex is composed of three distinct layers. The outermost is the zona glomerulosa, middle one is the zona fasciculata, and inner one is the zona reticularis. These are the three layers of the adrenal cortex, each layer secreting a distinct hormone. Outermost layer, zona glomerulosa, is a thin layer of cells that lie just beneath the capsule. It constitutes about 15% of the adrenal cortex. These cells are the cells are the only cells of adrenal gland that are capable of secreting significant amount of aldosterone, because these are the only cells which contain the enzyme aldosterone synthase, and this enzyme is necessary for the synthesis of enzyme aldosterone. None of the other cells in the two other layers of the adrenal cortex contains this enzyme. The secretion of these cells is controlled mainly by the extracellular fluid concentration of angiotensin 2 and potassium. Both of these, angiotensin 2 and potassium, stimulate the secretion of aldosterone by the zona glomerulosa cells. Zona fasciculata is the middle and the widest part of the adrenal cortex. It constitutes about 75% of the adrenal cortex. It secretes glucocorticoids, mainly the cortisol and corticosterone, but also small amounts of adrenal androgens and estrogens. The secretion of these cells is controlled in large part by the hypothalamic pituitary axis via ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. The zona reticularis is the innermost part of the cortex, and it secretes adrenal androgens, which are dehydroepiandrosterone and androstenedione. It also secretes small amounts of estrogens and some glucocorticoids. ACTH also regulates the secretion of these cells, although the other factors such as cortical androgen stimulating hormone which is released from pituitary may also control the secretion of these hormones from this part of the adrenal cortex. Synthesis and secretion of adrenal cortex. Look at this table. It is showing about the three layers of the adrenal cortex. The glomerulosa, Glomerulosa secretes mineralocorticoids, mainly the aldosterone, and its secretion is regulated by angiotensin II and potassium ions in the ECF. The zona fasciculata secretes glucocorticoids, mainly the cortisol and corticosterone, but also the small amounts of adrenal androgens and estrogens are released from these cells. Its secretion is regulated by ACTH from the anterior pituitary. The zona reticularis secretes adrenal androgens, dehydroepiandrosterone, and and androstenedione. But also small amounts of estrogen and some glucocorticoids are released by these cells. Its secretion is also regulated by ACTH. Biosynthesis of hormones of adrenal cortex. All the human steroid hormones, including those provided by the adrenal cortex, are synthesized from cholesterol. Although the cells of adrenal cortex can synthesize de novo small amounts of cholesterol from acetate, but 80% of the cholesterol used for steroid synthesis is provided by LDLs in the circulating plasma. The LDLs have high concentration of cholesterol. These diffuse from the plasma into the interstitial fluid and attach to the specific receptors contained in the structures which are known as coated pits on adrenocortical cell membranes. The coated pits are then internalized by endocytosis, resulting in the formation of vesicles. These vesicles eventually fuse with the cell lysosomes and release cholesterol that can be used to synthesize adrenal steroid hormones. Once the cholesterol enters the cell, it is delivered to the mitochondria where it is cleaved by the enzyme cholesterol desmolase. This is cholesterol desmolase. But the cholesterol desmolase, this enzyme converts cholesterol, it cleaves cholesterol to form pregnenolone. This is cholesterol, this is pregnenolone. This is a rate limiting step in the formation of adrenal steroids. In all the three zones of adrenal cortex, this initial step is steroid synthesis stimulated by different factors like ACTH. ACTH stimulates the cortisol secretion, and angiotensin 2 also stimulates the aldosterone secretion, increased conversion of cholesterol to pregnenolone. The synthesis of adrenal cortical hormones occur in two organelles, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. Some steps occurring in the mitochondria and some of the steps occurring in endoplasmic reticulum. Each of the step is catalyzed by a specific enzyme system. You can see in this flow sheet, you can see the synthesis of different hormones, mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids and androgens from the cholesterol. क्या हो रहा है? श्श्श, चुप करो.